For a fun and easy gardening project, look no further than a floating air plant frame. We'll show you how with Gardening Know-How. Let's start with the supplies. You'll need a wooden box frame as big or as small as you would like, some tacks or small nails, a plant mister with water, some twine, 1 or 2 decorative pieces of driftwood or cork, Spanish moss and reindeer moss for color contrast, and of course, assorted air plants. You'll start by adding some tacks just halfway into the hole along the sides of the frame every few inches. Now take your twine and wrap it around the tacks. No need to be glamorous here. It can be placed in any type of pattern. If you are planning on hanging your frame, leave a bit of extra twine to wrap around the tacks along the top corners. Now is the time to get creative. Flip the shadow box over and add your decorative cork or driftwood pieces first. Use the twine to help keep in place. Fill the open spaces with Spanish or reindeer moss in varying colors. Weave the moss into the twine to secure it into place. The last step is the fun part, adding the air plants. In this project, we use 3 different types of air plants. Depending on the overall size of your frame, you may wish to add less or more. Simply stick them into the spaces between the twine. A light mist of water will moisten the moss enough to prevent the pieces from falling off. Mist the plants 1 to 2 times per week, depending on humidity and the dryness of the air. That's it! Your floating air plant frame is now complete. Hang or display your frame in filtered or indirect light and enjoy. For more information on growing and caring for air plants, please check the description for links. And if you're looking for even more timely gardening tips, tap that subscribe button for more content from us. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!